welcome to a Valentine's Day edition of Adventures in Welding. I'm Paul. Thanks for joining me. Now, if you watched our last episode, we got started making some of these lifting lugs. I'm making for a buddy of mine. We need 10 of them. In this one, I used a drill for the center hole, a grinder to make the radiuses, and I tigged it. But I got an email from someone named Charles in Costa Mesa, California, who wants to know why I didn't use a plasma cutter to make the cuts, or use a stick welder or a MIG welder to weld it up. Basically, TIG's my favorite process, so that's why I used it. And we have 2 more to make. I've got them marked out already here, as you can see. And we'll use a plasma cutter to cut these out, and I'll stick weld them up. So let me get my gear on and we'll get going. But first, I ain't that good with the plasma cutter, so we might need some grinder work in the end anyway. Alright, let's go. I told you in the beginning, I'm not that great with a plasma cutter, so a little bit of file work going on here. Trying to knock off all the rough spots. I got the dross off, but this is about 4 minutes worth of filing I condensed into 30 seconds for you guys. You can thank me later. You know I love my flap disc, and even though this isn't TIG, whoops, I gotta fix that. I like to weld clean metal. True, stick can burn through any kind of dirt or mill scale or what have you, but why deal with it when you don't have to? Couple minutes with the flap disc, everything cleans up real nice, and we're good to go. Alright, here we go. This is Lincoln 7018 Excalibur 332nd rod on about 90 amps. This machine I'm running it on has a really nice buttery arc. It's not hard at all. Not much to say here. This is the other side, same process, same settings, nothing has changed. Now, if you were looking for absolute perfection in your weld, you might want to backstep it or stitch it. But this has gone fast enough. This is only about 30 seconds. I don't think that much heat is going into the metal. So we just welded it in one continuous. Alright, there's our completed project. This is the stick welded one with a plasma cut center and plasma cut radiuses, whatever they are. This is the TIG welded one with the drilled out center and angle grinder radiuses. I mean, they look relatively the same. I just think that the TIG is a neater process. But hey, to each their own, right? Well, that's it for this episode. I'm Paul. Thanks for joining me on Adventures in Welding. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you again next time. Okay?